Okay, so let's start the today's lecture. In the previous lecture, we just completed our meta tags. Okay, now before you are going to the guys attribute and the data attribute, custom data attribute, please go through the this one. Okay, the all tags created by me. Okay, before that you need to check that all tags. I already giving over here. If you are uh, using this link, you can automatically go to that particular tags. Okay, means what happen, guys, if we want to make a website, we need to write a lot of tag inside of our website, and that's where at least we need to understand 32 or to 40 tags. We need to understand, then we can make the proper website. Like suppose I want to add the image, that purpose we have the image tag. If you want to add the audio, that purpose we have the audio tag. If you want to use the heading, paragraph, so this is we have the different tags, and every tag we need to understand, right? And that all tags whatever I'm teaching you, some tags we are adding inside of your head tag, and some tag we are adding inside of your body. It's depend upon where we need to add, so I will teach you that. So before that, guys, we need to complete our HTML tags. Okay, so this is HTML tags we have. Okay, now let's understand one by one. We have the different tags. We have the at least 32 tags available, and even inside we have the different subparts also, so we can see that. Okay, now first tag we are understanding comment. Comment means what, right? Simply, if suppose we are working in a one organization, right? Isn't it? We are working in a one organization, and suppose we are working in a Google company. Okay, and you want to say to your partner or your developer, another developer who is the working with you want to say to him, okay, I want to do the changes, or this code is related to this particular part. So how we can say, we can comment out that. Means when we are commenting that particular part, what happens, that part will be a not executed, right? It will be a not executed. It's only for the for the user purpose and the developer purpose, and it will be a our code will be a more readable. You can see this is a HTML comments. It does not affected to the rendering of the page, but allows you to add a comments for the developer or the yourself purpose. Because if you are writing a lot of code, and after 2 or 3 years when we are come back, what happen, you are forgetting what exactly you're writing over here, what purpose is this code, right? So you can commenting that. So after you're coming a long time back, what happened, you can understand, okay, this is the meaning of that particular code, right? So we can do that. So that is exactly the comment. Let me go to over here. I'm right now again try.html. I'm putting over here one comment. So right now, suppose I'm using over here one h1 tag. H1 tag basically we are using for the heading purpose. Okay. Suppose I'm writing over here Rohit my name. Control S save. Now let's check back again to our website also. You can see Rohit is over here. So basically what happened when we are going back again to over here, and we are adding to the comments, because we need to say that this is comment for blah 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 purpose. Okay. So I'm suppose adding over here. This is for heading. This is for the heading. Okay, means the down whatever you're saying, it's a heading. Right now, what happened? We need to do the comment. How we can do? We need to use this one. Okay, after that means less than, after the hyphen. Okay, and I need to use maybe over here. Let me check back again. Okay. Okay, I need to use the exclamation mark also. I'm going back again to the my VS Code. Okay, I'm using exclamation mark. And after that end of the section, we need to use again the hyphen and the less than or greater than. Okay, now you can see it's a commenting. So when we are refreshing, you can see whatever I wrote inside of your body using by comment, this will be not a showing in inside of your website. You can see, is it showing in your website? No, this is only for why purpose, because of I want to add for my purpose, my user purpose, means developer purpose, or maybe yourself purpose. That's why we are using the comment. Getting? Comment can understand. Okay. Now after that, let's go to the second comment we done right now. The A tag. A tag we are calling as the anchor tag. What is that? Anchor tag. So anchor tag we are using if we are clicking on that particular link, we will be a navigate somewhere else. Okay. Now how exactly? Now see over here. Okay, I'm removing this all stuff whatever we did. Okay, right now let's add the anchor tag. Now see, we are using a tag, and hit enter button. You can see your anchor tag will be the ready. Means A, okay, A opening and A closing tag. And in middle between, we need to write whatever we need to put, whatever we need to show inside of the website. Suppose I want to say the Google, okay, Google. Again I'm taking another A tag, enter. Okay, now again in middle between opening and closing, I am putting suppose a Facebook. Okay, face book, right? Again, I'm checking one anchor tag, a tag, enter. What I'm doing inside, I'm writing what? I'm writing to the Instagram. Okay, Instagram. Okay, we are putting Instagram. So what happened? You can see when we are going to the our web page. See, there is what? There is, you can see one is the Google, one is the Facebook, and one is the Instagram, right? These three letters is coming. But what happened when I'm clicking on Google, I want to go to the Google page. So a tag we are using for if we want to navigate to the somewhere else, okay? Means we are creating properly link. Okay, now what happened? Where how we can go over there? There you can see the href. Href means a hyper reference link. We need to put that. Okay, so over here in middle between hyper means hyper reference link is equal to inside of the quotation in middle between we need to put that what exactly you want. Suppose I want to put over here Google link. So you can see I'm going over here and I'm writing over here I want a Google link. So www.google, okay, google.com. You can see this is exactly the Google link. Now I just want to paste that link over here in the middle to the href tag. Okay, you can see https www.google.com. So what happened when we are clicking on the Google, it will be directly navigating where in the Google. Okay, now let me show you. Control S save. Now suppose we are closing that. See, this is the Google. When I'm clicking on the Google, what happened? It will be going to the Google tab. Isn't it? Same as it is. Let's create for the Facebook purpose. Let me search over here Facebook. Facebook. Okay. I want a login page Facebook. Okay. After that, Instagram. Enter. You can see Instagram login page, right? So what happened? I want this login page. I'm as it is copying that URL. I want to copy this URL and I'm pasting to the in middle between the quotation. Okay. Now you can see I put it for the Facebook purpose. After that, for the Instagram purpose, let me go over here. I want to copy that as it is URL and I want to paste it to the in middle between quotation. Getting? So I give the properly link, Control S save. Now go back to our web page. Now I'm erasing everything. Now I want to again back that one, try one. When I'm clicking to the Instagram, is it going to the Instagram only? Perfect. Okay. After that, you can see when I'm going to the over here. Okay, Facebook. Is it going to the Facebook only? Like that. Okay. If you are going to the again back to the Google, is it going to the Google only? Okay, see, like that. So you can see what happened here. I created a tag, a called the anchor tag. Anchor tag we are creating to the, we are writing to the different words. When we are clicking on that text, it will be a navigate where exactly we want to go. So many purpose you can see, if you can see the our Sky Vision College or maybe Amazon website, when you're going to the Amazon website, and if we are going to, when you're going over here, when you're clicking in different links, right? What happen? It will be navigating to the somewhere else, right? So that is exactly they are using over here. What? Anchor chat. Perfect. So this is we done. Okay. Right now, let's go to the next tab. Okay, I'm going again to my Word file so we can go to that. Okay, this is called anchor tag. After that, let's go to the understat third one. What is that? B tag. B tag we are using for the bold purpose, right? So let me show you. If I am going to the over here right now, I don't want this. Okay, I'm again erasing. For understanding purpose, I'm erasing. Apart from I don't have any intention for that. Okay, suppose I'm writing again over here. Suppose Rohit, I'm writing directly. Okay. Now see this Rohit when I'm writing and when I'm going back again to the our website. Okay. Let me go to the where is website. This one. Okay. Let me do back refresh. Now see what is that? Rohit only over here, right? And it's not a bold one, right? It